this video, I will show you how to transfer Solana from Coinbase to Phantom Wallet. So to do this, we're going to open our Phantom Wallet first, and then from here, we're going to select Solana, or we're going to click on Receive. So I'm just going to click on Receive in here, and now I'm going to copy the Solana wallet address to my clipboard. So let's do that, and then open our Coinbase now. From your Coinbase Home tab, go ahead and click on Transfer at the bottom right. Click on Send Crypto, and in here you need to paste in the wallet address from Phantom Wallet that we just received. So go ahead and fill that in. After you have done that, go ahead and click on this thing down below, and now select Solana in the Assets section. Enter the amount that you want to transfer, and after click on Preview. And if you're in the EU just like me, go ahead and click on Self-Custody Wallet in here. If you're sending to yourself, go ahead and check this box, and otherwise fill in your recipient's full name and the recipient's country of residence, and after go ahead and click on Continue. And in this screen, you will see the transaction details. So if everything is all right, go ahead and click on Send Now. And as you can see, we have successfully sent our Solana. So let's go ahead and click on Done, and then open our Phantom Wallet to see if it's already there. So I opened my recent activity in Phantom Wallet, and I see that it has been received almost instantly. And it is also added up to my balance. So this is how you transfer Solana from Coinbase to Phantom Wallet. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing. Then I will see you in the next one.